Let's have a look at some good breakout setups from yesterday. And what you'll see is Spotify, where the stock didn't close near the high. It's been a little bit choppy. DK, this is like you'll see a lot of oil and gas stocks. So DK is one of them. There's still time for earnings. So PBF, another oil and gas stock. Then you have THG, Hanover Insurance Group, which is like a little bit choppy, but and then you have HFC, another oil and gas stock, which is also a dollar breakout here. That would have been a better entry. KFRs, K4s. Now see, this is like in a first leg, orderly sideways move, breaking out, close near the high. So that's good. CVRR, another one which is good. See a very nice move, sideways, breaking out. OBNK, which is the IPO. IPO tends to be more volatile, so you need to have a smaller size. Lamar, see first leg, very orderly. Set it up very nicely and a breakout. Okay, AMD, this is the stock which is the best breakout and still can be bought. In fact, because it's gapping up, I don't think you should buy it now. But this is the largest position I have currently with around 10,000 shares. Textron, which is breaking out. It's a dollar breakout. See, dollar breakout 1.42%. If it goes to 70, you're looking at risking 95 cents to make $3. That's good. CVI, the oil and gas stock. See, when the sector there's a clear sector break which is happening. Money is flowing into something new. A lot of time people keep anchored to the old leaders. They keep looking at the old leaders and they think that look, they have got a pullback, they're going to enter. You see a lot of people are still chasing the old leaders. Old leaders means not necessarily the old Netflix but even the stocks which are making big moves 2 or 3 months ago or 1 month ago. Now they may not immediately break out upwards, which was really an anticipation setup. Uranium, which is a ETF, it tends to be a little bit choppy. CDXS, this is a biotechnology stocks. Nice setup. I would have not having this candle here, but here it did make a move up around 16%. Low priced biotechnology stocks always tends to move big moves. On the short side, noodles. Then you have Wild Horse Resources. All the gas and oil and gas stocks are breaking out. Here is a stock which is breaking down. Raymond James Financial, that's another one. So you have all these stocks showed up in either 4% dollar breakout or low threshold breakout, and many of them showed up early in the first half an hour or 1 hour. The earlier you can get into a breakout, more profitable it is because your stop will be closer and you will profit from the move in the day. And also that is the reason why I run 3 different scans, because one scan cannot do full justice to finding all kinds of stocks very quickly. And in addition to that, you need to look at anticipation, because anticipation allows you to find moves the one which was and I think here which one was here, I think this kind of a move you'll find using anticipation very easily.